Thank you so much. I'm your producer, Great. How can it be said that the military, the Nigerian military, will not be able to protect those in IDP camp? Nigerians, a good number of them, in Benue, in Taraba, in Plateau, are living in internally displaced persons camp. Yet, for whatever reasons, they cannot return to their ancestral home to live in their own community. The murderers, who ordinarily should be on the run, are settling comfortably in their ancestral homes. Lo and behold, even in IDP camps, the suspected Fulani militia will still come there to kill people. Massive killing is said to be going on in Benue IDP camp. Why will such be heard of? How can such a thing happen? What are the security agencies doing? That those running for their life, settling in IDP camp, Fulani militia, will still come there to attack, will still come there and turn the area to a grazing land. What is really happening in Nigeria? This report of killing in IDP camp should not be taken lightly. People in IDP camp should be well protected. They are suffering lack of one thing or the other, no good water to drink, no food, healthcare facility is lacking. Yet, the criminal elements will boldly go there to attack them. This report of 9 people killed in Benue IDP camp is so unfortunate. Let the military wake up. Let the government be alive to their responsibilities. If they challenge the demand of the office is too much for anybody occupying certain offices, let those people resign. Anybody who knows for one reason or the other you cannot carry out your constitutional duty, the welfare and security of the people is the primary responsibility of government. Any government failing in that responsibility should resign and get out for those who know what to do to provide the services needed. A word is enough for the wise. This nonsense must stop. The military must sit up and do their work. Government officials must sit up and provide security and take care of the welfare of the people. You cannot just occupy office, political offices, because of the privileges of the office. Then you share away with the demand of the office. It's a crime against humanity. Killing in IDP camps must stop immediately. People are there for safety. Military lack the capacity to take them back to their ancestral home. Then they also lack the capacity to protect them in IDP camp. What nonsense is that? Enough is enough. Nigeria is hitting boiling point. It will soon blow up. We have had enough of grossly irresponsible government officials, criminal elements, who must hold public office. Do your work or you resign. At all level, at all levels, from local government to governorship, cabinet ministers, security agencies, those in Asorok. If the demand of the office is too much for you, throw in the towel and step out. Millions of Nigerians are out there who will do better. Millions. They will do better. As governors, they will do better. Even the office of the president, millions are out there who will do far better. Enough.